The internet has changed everything. From how we communicate to how we work, the digital age has revolutionized our lives in countless ways. It's now easier than ever to make money online. With just a few clicks, you can set up an online business, reach a global audience, and start generating income. No matter where you are, you can build a real income stream. Whether you're at home, in a cafe, or even on a beach, the possibilities are endless. This is especially true in 2024 with the power of AI. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries and creating new opportunities for everyone. AI might sound complicated, but it's becoming more and more accessible. Today, there are user-friendly tools that make it easy for anyone to harness the power of AI. Think of it as a set of powerful tools anyone can use. These tools can automate tasks, analyze data, and even create content, making your work more efficient. These tools can help you work smarter, not harder. By leveraging AI, you can streamline your workflow and focus on what truly matters. In this essay, we'll explore how to make $300 per day online. We'll break down the steps and strategies you need to achieve this goal. It's a realistic goal for beginners willing to put in the effort. With dedication and the right approach, you can turn your online ventures into a profitable business. We'll focus on using AI for content creation and affiliate marketing. These are two of the most effective ways to generate income online today. Get ready to unlock your online earning potential. Let's dive in and discover how you can leverage AI to achieve financial success. The AI market is exploding. Experts predict it will reach trillions of dollars in value soon. This growth means massive opportunities for you. More businesses are using AI every day. This creates a huge demand for people who can use AI tools. Whether it's writing, marketing, or design, AI skills are in high demand. This demand translates into real income potential. Even if you're starting from scratch, you can learn these skills. There are tons of free and affordable resources available online. The bottom line? AI is here to stay. Getting on board now could be your ticket to financial freedom. Content is king in the online world. Businesses need engaging content to attract customers. This is where you come in. You can use AI to create high-quality content quickly and easily. Think blog posts, social media updates, even video scripts. AI tools can help you generate ideas, write faster, and improve your writing quality. Once you have great content, you can monetize it in several ways. You can get paid to write for clients, start a blog, or build an audience on social media. The best part? You don't need to be a professional writer to succeed. With AI by your side, you can create amazing content that people will love. There are tons of AI tools out there, and choosing the right ones can feel overwhelming. Don't worry, we'll simplify it for you. For content creation, look for tools that offer features like content generation, help you come up with ideas and even generate full drafts. Grammar and spelling check, ensure your writing is polished and error-free. Plagiarism detection, make sure your content is original. Some popular options include Jasper, Copy.ai, and Grammarly. Many of these tools offer free trials, so you can try them before you buy. Remember, the right tools will make your life easier and help you produce better content. Take your time, experiment, and find what works best for you. Section 5. Real People, Real Money Success Stories. You might be thinking, this sounds great, but can people really make money doing this? Is it truly possible to turn an idea into a profitable venture? The answer is a resounding yes. And it's not just a few isolated cases. There are countless success stories of people who started with nothing and built profitable online businesses using AI. These individuals come from all walks of life and have diverse backgrounds. Some focus on content creation, producing engaging articles, videos, and social media posts that attract a large audience, while others leverage AI for marketing or other income streams. Take Sarah, for example. She was a stay-at-home mom who started a blog about parenting tips. She had no prior experience in blogging or online business. Using AI tools, she quickly started creating high-quality content that resonated with her audience. The AI helped her with everything from topic suggestions to SEO optimization. Within a year, she was earning a full-time income from her blog through ads and affiliate marketing. Her story is just one of many. These stories are not the exception. They are becoming increasingly common. More and more people are discovering the potential of AI to transform their ideas into profitable businesses. With hard work, dedication, and the right tools, you can achieve similar success. The journey may not be easy, but the rewards are worth it. So why not take the first step today and start your own success story? Section 6. Writing great content tips and tricks from a pro. Now that you have the tools, let's talk about creating content that people actually want to read. This is crucial because no matter how well you write, if your content doesn't resonate with your audience, it won't be effective. First, focus on providing value. Think about what your readers need and how you can offer solutions to their problems. What problems does your target audience have? Conduct thorough research to understand their pain points and challenges. How can your content help them solve those problems? Second, make it engaging. Your content should not only be informative but also interesting to read. Use storytelling, humor, and a conversational tone to keep your readers hooked. Stories can make your content more relatable and memorable. Break up long blocks of text with images, headings, and bullet points. This makes your content easier to read and more visually appealing. Third, optimize for search engines. SEO is essential for getting your content seen by a wider audience. Use relevant keywords in your titles, headings, and throughout your content. This will improve your search engine rankings. This will help people find your content when they search online. Remember, practice makes perfect. Writing is a skill that improves with practice. The more you write, the better you'll become. Keep experimenting with different styles and techniques to find what works best for you and your audience. Section 8. Affiliate marketing. Partner up for profit. Affiliate marketing is another great way to make money online. It involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission on each sale you generate. Here's how it works. First, find a product or service you love. It's crucial to choose something you believe in. Next, join their affiliate program. Most companies offer affiliate programs these days. Then, promote the product or service to your audience. Use your content, social media, or email list to share your unique affiliate link. The best part? You don't have to create your own products or deal with customer service. You're simply connecting people with solutions they're looking for. Section 9. Finding the right products. Don't waste your clicks. Not all affiliate programs are created equal. Here are some tips for finding profitable products to promote. Choose products that are relevant to your audience. Don't promote something just because it has a high commission rate. Make sure it's something your audience will actually be interested in. Look for products with high conversion rates. This means people are actually buying the product after clicking on your affiliate link. Read reviews and do your research. Make sure the product is high quality and that the company is reputable. By choosing the right products, you'll increase your chances of earning those sweet affiliate commissions. Section 10. Busting myths, what they don't tell you about online earning. There are many misconceptions about making money online. Let's debunk some common myths. Myth number 1. It's a get-rich-quick scheme. Making money online takes time, effort, and dedication. There are no shortcuts. Myth number 2. You need a lot of money to start. You can start an online business with very little investment. Myth number 3. It's only for tech-savvy people. You don't need to be a tech whiz to succeed online. There are plenty of resources and tools available to help you. Don't let these myths hold you back. The truth is, online earning is more accessible than ever before. Section 11. Take action today. Your journey starts now. We've covered a lot of ground, but the most important takeaway is this. You have the power to create the life you want. The internet has opened up a world of opportunities, and with the help of AI, those opportunities are only going to grow. Don't wait for the perfect moment because it will never come. Start small, take action, and learn as you go. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So what are you waiting for? Your online earning journey starts today.